Many different animals live on the farm. Sam loves to spend time with them. Let's ask Sam a few questions about the animals living on the farm. How many horses live at the farm? Do we have more horses or cows at the farm? How many rabbits are there at the farm? Which of the animals are there most of on the farm? It looks as if Sam doesn't know the answers. Let's see how to help him answer the questions quickly. One way is to make a list, like the list your mother makes when she goes shopping. In this list, we have things written on the left and the quantities or numbers we want written on the right. Let's make a list of animals on Sam's farm. Let's start by counting the horses on Sam's farm. How many horses can you count? If you said 8, you are absolutely correct. Well done. There are 8 horses on Sam's farm. Now let's count the cows on Sam's farm. How many cows can you see? If you said 10, you are right. Well done. There are 10 cows on Sam's farm. Now, let's count the hens. How many hens can you count on Sam's farm? Did you say 15? You are right. Well done. There are 15 hens on Sam's farm. Finally, let's count the rabbits. How many rabbits can you count here? If you said 12, you are right. There are 12 rabbits on Sam's farm. Here are the lists showing the information we have about the animals on Sam's farm. We can make lists using either pictures or names. Remember, we had asked Sam a few questions about the animals on his farm. Let's see if we can answer them with Sam now, using the information table we have made. So how many horses live at Sam's farm? From the list, we can quickly see and say that 8 horses live at Sam's farm. Do we have more horses or cows at the farm? From the list, we can see that we have 10 cows and 8 horses at the farm. 10 is more than 8, so we have more cows than horses at the farm. How many rabbits are there at the farm? The list shows that there are 12 rabbits at the farm. Which animals are the most on the farm? From the list, we can see that there are a larger number of hens than any other animal on the farm. So, we can use lists of information like this to answer questions about numbers and quantities of things quickly.